Let's take a look in the all-natural refrigerator real quick, you dig? You see it? No dead animals in my refrigerator. Celery and cucumbers. I'm about to make some juice. Some coconut milk. I got this on sale right here, 2 for $7. This stuff is really good. I make my own milk. I make my own nut milk. But the coconut milk, I buy it. This stuff is good right here. I got it on sale. Masters Cleanse. Green smoothie. Some more Masters Cleanse. Some black tea. Some strawberry and blueberry sea moss. Some olives. Some soursop leaves.